Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things beauty related. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the beauty community. The Grande Cosmetics GrandeBROW 2-in-1 Tinted Brow Gel plus Brow Enhancing Serum. If you're looking for the best eyebrow gel for achieving those coveted fluffy brows, you're in the right place. Now, what sets this product apart is its unique 2-in-1 formula. Not only does it provide instant tint for bolder brows, but it also contains a brow-enhancing serum that works its magic over time. Say goodbye to sparse brows and hello to fuller, darker-looking brows in just 6 to 8 weeks. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at some real results from participants in Grande Cosmetics' clinical study. These makeup-free brows speak for themselves. And the best part? GrandeBROW 2-in-1 comes in 4 shades: light, medium, auburn, and dark, so there's something for everyone. Whether you're aiming for a subtle enhancement or a bold statement, this product has you covered. Now, let's talk application. Simply brush onto brows in upward strokes to fill and shape instantly. And with daily use, watch as your brows become fuller and darker over time. It's that easy. Now, I know you might have some questions. How long will this bottle last me if used daily? What if I don't use GrandeBROW 2-in-1 every single day? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we address these FAQs and more. So there you have it, folks. The Grande Cosmetics GrandeBROW 2-in-1 Tinted Brow Gel plus Brow Enhancing Serum. The ultimate solution for achieving fluffy, fuller-looking brows. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.